Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep look at the brand new Windows 11 25H2 Dev Build 26220.7271. And trust me, this one is packed with way more changes than it may look like on paper. Microsoft didn't just push a small cumulative fix. They quietly added a bunch of quality of life upgrades, hidden experimental features, brand new recovery tools, huge File Explorer changes, improvements to the Xbox full screen experience, new AI-powered features, store updates, Notepad updates, phone link integration improvements, and a ton of under-the-hood tweaks that actually make the system feel different. So let's break down everything that's new in this build. First of all, File Explorer got another wave of improvements. The navigation pane feels snappier and more consistent, and Microsoft has reorganized some of the context menu items to make them more logical. Cloud options like OneDrive's always keep on this device or free up space now appear more cleanly grouped instead of being scattered everywhere. There's also a new preloading system that allows File Explorer to launch faster by warming up certain processes in the background. Thumbnail rendering is improved, folder switching feels smoother, and a bunch of crashes related to tab switching and indexing have been fixed. Even though the UI looks the same, the experience is much more refined. One of the biggest new features in this build, and something Microsoft barely talked about, is the brand new point-in-time restore feature. This lets you restore your entire system back to a previous snapshot with your apps, settings, and files intact. It shows up inside the Windows recovery environment under Troubleshoot, and this is a major step forward for people who constantly deal with insider build bugs or corrupted system files. It's basically like Apple's Time Machine but integrated into Windows, and this is going to save a lot of users in the future. Next, we have improvements to the Xbox full screen experience. This was introduced in earlier builds, but 26220.7271 makes it actually usable. The full screen UI loads faster, controller navigation has less delay, and the black screen glitch when switching to full screen mode is fixed. Game Pass pages scroll more smoothly, animations stutter less, and overall it feels more like a proper console dashboard instead of a buggy full screen window. For gamers or people using Windows on a TV, this is a genuinely solid update. Microsoft is also rolling out new phone-to-PC continuity features. In this build, you can resume certain actions from your Android phone directly on your PC. For example, if you were browsing something on your phone's browser, the PC can suggest opening that same link on your Windows browser. This is rolling out gradually, but the integration is clearly improving behind the scenes. On the AI side, Microsoft has updated the Copilot runtime and added new improvements for click-to-do on Copilot PCs. This means the system can offer more contextual actions like converting units, summarizing text, or performing quick tasks more naturally. Voice typing also gets big changes thanks to something called fluid dictation. On devices with an NPU, dictation becomes way more natural. It automatically corrects filler words, punctuation, grammar, and makes your voice input feel like you're typing with perfect accuracy. It's much smoother than the old voice dictation. The Microsoft Store also received a nice update. You can now uninstall apps directly from the library page, making it much easier to manage apps you installed from the store without digging through settings. It's a simple upgrade, but very convenient. Notepad also gets some improvements, including support for tables and better AI-related features. Microsoft is subtly turning Notepad into a more capable text editor without making it too complicated. This build also includes various updates to system stability. Bluetooth devices disconnect less often, CPU spikes during idle are reduced, waking from sleep is smoother, and random Explorer.exe crashes should be much rarer now. Task Manager issues like duplicated icons and start menu search freezing have also been fixed. Quick Settings opens with fewer animation hiccups, and multi-monitor detection is more reliable. Security also gets a boost. Defender platform binaries were updated, driver compatibility is better for newer Intel Wi-Fi 6 and AMD integrated GPUs, and Secure Boot is more stable on these dev builds. There are also fixes for Task Manager sorting issues, better handling of network changes, and more accurate internet connectivity status indicators. Overall, Windows 11 25H2 build 26220.7271 might look like a basic servicing update at first, but once you dig in, it actually delivers a ton of improvements across the entire OS. File Explorer becomes smoother, the Xbox full screen mode becomes usable, recovery tools get more powerful, AI features get smarter, app experiences get polished, and the whole system feels far more stable. This is easily one of the most important dev builds in this cycle because Microsoft is clearly preparing the foundation for bigger features coming soon. If you're on the dev channel, definitely update because this build feels cleaner, faster, and more refined overall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Windows 11 updates right here.